Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy atmosphere light on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will click atmosphere light. I will search. So I will be going with these ones. Okay. So this product will cost you around $68.98 on Amazon, but here you are just paying a $14.48. Hence you are saving 79%. Okay. So here we can see. So it will something looking like these. Okay. Atmosphere lights. Here it is like Galaxy, Star, Power, and other modes. Okay. Here we can see. So it comes a great review, and if we scroll down, we can see here some detail also. So it is made of plastic and it is remote control, and it comes in another shape patterns also. So here we can see it will something looking like this. Okay, so it's very useful products for decoration of our room, and hence you can buy. So to buy you will just click on add to cart, then click on buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a atmosphere light on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.